Okay guys, I just got my carburetor rebuilt kit in today, and super excited to get this thing rebuilt. So you can see I took it all apart. And the bowl is pretty clean. Everything is clean. I used the same fuel. I left it soaking in fuel with the outboard fuel. So clean it out really good. So I'm going to replace all the seals of floater. Clean the needle valve here. Clean that out. And it's my tray that I used. Some brushes clean it off here. And I also used some contact cleaner. So everything's pretty much clean. Everything's good to go. Like I said, I got my rebuild kit in today. Super excited. Here it is. This is a kit that I got for it. See if you can see the number on it. This is for Johnson 18 horsepower FD-13. The engine is a 1959. Nice. Came with the float, plastic float. Came with the new needle. Maybe you can kind of see it there. Before I go doing anything, I want to make sure, compare them, make sure they match up. It's a gasket, which it does. So that's good to go. The float. I'm guessing this was the original float here, cork. So it's gonna be replaced by this plastic one. Seems like the cork float is still pretty good, decent shape, but I'll probably just go ahead and swap it out with this plastic one. Because nowadays everything is plastic, I'll probably just keep it plastic. So there's that. And came with all these gaskets. Sometimes you get extra parts. So like these here. Just need one. Lines up. So that one's good. And this side. None of those match up. That one's not for it. Okay, so I got two of the same. These motor gaskets, I don't know where they might go. look more into it and figure out where they go. Come with these little seals here, and these they go in. What is that? Right here. Here's one of them. It's gonna be this one, and the smaller one. It's gonna go somewhere. I gotta look for it, but so yeah, looks like everything for the kit to rebuild the kit is here. So I'm gonna get it up and running and rebuilt, and hopefully that'll take care of all of my problems. I'll be able to get this baby out in the water. Stay tuned, guys.